scale and gravity of the abuses and the violations that we have seen so far, an independent and adequately resourced protection force must be urgently deployed to Sudan to protect civilians. This is a war on civilians, as we have already said. The human toll of the conflict has been immense. The numbers are staggering. Consider this. Tens of thousands of people have been killed and many more have been injured. More than 10.5 million have been displaced within Sudan.
All states must immediately stop providing arms and ammunition to all parties to the conflict. We have documented how foreign manufactured weapons and military equipment, including Chinese and French weapons, have been imported into Darfur and other areas of Sudan. That should not be possible. It is particularly vital that all countries stop providing the UAE with any arms until it can be brought into compliance with the UN embargo. The Security Council, the Human Rights Council must condemn the United Arab Emirates for its support and its backing, including military, to the RSF. And so should all UAE supporters, including the US and the European Union and the UK.